Kentucky. Tons of people, tons of bikes and scooters, and of course, seafood. Smells like rotting fish, because we're in the fish market. So we've been searching for a while and we haven't found any oyster omelet. Let's keep looking and hopefully we'll find it. I'm not really into seafood actually. Well, the thing about the fish here, it's not only dry, it was also cured in some sort of sauce or seasoning that makes it taste better. It tastes great, I think, with some rice. Not for me, but for people here. Where is this mysterious omelet? She strictly said no, just soup, just soup. And the other guy who was eating at the stall said that it should be where the red thing is. They have some, so we can finally get some oyster omelet. The oyster omelets that we've been looking for has been found right before our eyes. Here it is. Oyster omelette 蚵仔煎. Great. Here goes. Not that bad. So now that I've tried the omelet, it's your turn.
Okay, wow, this is really gooey. I think that's my first reaction because it's really gooey. Here's a big fat oyster. It's pretty good. It's pretty special, I have to say.